Southwest 1928 on Echo Monitor Tower 133.9, good day.
33.9, we'll see you Southwest 1928.
Ground coming 5716, Delta 9, alley taxi.
Compass. How many was it?
5716, Delta 9.
5760.
Turn left heading 280. Lock. Conquest 1 Hotel Echo for traffic, turn left heading 280.
280 on the heading for 1 Hotel Echo. Second sight, 1 Hotel Echo.
1 Hotel Echo, Roger. Crossway careless, have additional traffic 11 o'clock, 10 miles northbound, regional jet combat 1000.
Hotel Echo, where was it?
Delta 2395, contact correction, climb maintain flow level 190, departure 124.32.
Okay, 190 on 2432, Delta 2395.
Southwest 4590, keep direct jet head.
Direct jet, yeah, Southwest 45.
Skywest 5956, for now, just a minute out to maintain 16,000.
1660,000, Skywest 5990.
Alaska 312, contact approach 125.35.
2535, Alaska 312.
So 5956, climb maintain flight level 190 now, contact departure 124.32.
2432 up to 190, Skywest 9568.
Contact approach out ahead 25, 1,000 feet over the corner. West 4590, contact open center 125.85.
12585, South 45.
Idaho 25, locale departure, Roger, sir, question?
Yeah, we're circling over quarter.
United 894, contact departure 124.32. Departure schedule 5455, 1.2, climbing the other SID, and we're getting a good rate from the tower. Go 5455, I've got departure radar contact. United 994, contact departure 124.32.
Hotel Echo is up for on course.
Number 1 Hotel Echo, on course is approved.
Looks 71 Hotel Echo, likely cancel or terminate cycle.
Hotel Echo, radar service for terminus, block VFR, bridge change approved.
Thank you. Okay, like the morning, aware of one.
Wire 162 heavy, NorCal departure, radar contact.
One NorCal at 468, 174 for 16,000, Tango.
Roger, 468, NorCal departure, radar contact. Just going to maintain 12000.
2000, 468.
Visionaire 468, depart open, heading 300, vector to San Jose.
Heading 300 up Delta, good test for 468.
Silver 70 Delta, traffic 2 o'clock, 3 miles, southwestbound, altitude 1,200, as unknown.
North Delta, approach out ahead 5, we're going to step over to the left side of the state, 35.